An act of revenge caught on tape. It sure looks like a distraught husband is so angry with his cheating wife, he uses a boat as a wrecking ball. It is a video sensation, but is it real?
It's the video that's a smash hit on the internet. A crane operator using a motorboat as a wrecking ball demolishes a car and a mobile home. But is the video real? Well, today we can reveal it's not. It's actually a commercial.
So this is the actual trailer that we smashed.
Here's the wrecked mobile home today. Ad agency chief David Smith created the clever commercial. But what are they advertising? Is it the crane, the mobile home? Well, it's neither. It's the boat.
The whole point of the Triumph commercials is to show how indestructible these boats are.
The plot revolves around a crane operator who's mad as hell because his wife is supposedly cheating on him with her lover inside the trailer. The wife is actually an actress who was more than a little nervous of that big boat.
I was getting out of the way pretty fast.
And the crane operator actually drives a crane for a living. Maybe that's why the video looks so realistic.
We're told the commercial has generated record sales for the boat company.